everyday English verbs with examples.
Augment.
Augment.
Augment means to increase.
Can we augment our savings?
Yes, we can increase them.
Compile.
Compile.
Compile means to collect.
Did you compile the data?
Yes, I collected it.
Comply.
Comply.
Comply means to obey.
Do we need to comply with the rules?
Yes, we must obey them.
Delegate.
Delegate.
Delegate means to assign.
Should we delegate tasks to the team?
Yes, let's assign them.
Ensure.
Ensure.
Ensure means to make sure.
Did you ensure the doors are locked?
Yes, I made sure.
Implement.
Implement.
Implement means to apply.
Did they implement the new policy?
Yes, they applied it.
Incorporate.
Incorporate.
Incorporate means to include.
Should we incorporate your feedback?
Yes, include it.
Instigate.
Instigate.
Instigate means to initiate.
Did she instigate the changes?
Yes, she initiated them.
Sustain.
Sustain.
Sustain means to maintain.
Can we sustain our progress?
Yes, we can maintain it.
Abide.
Abide.
Abide means to abide.
Do we need to abide by the rules?
Yes, we must follow them.
Acknowledge.
Acknowledge.
Acknowledge means to admit.
Did she acknowledge her mistake?
Yes, she admitted it.
Anticipate.
Anticipate.
Anticipate means to expect.
Do you anticipate any delays?
Yes, I expect some.
Assume.
Assume.
Assume means to guess.
Did you assume it was correct?
Yes, I guessed it was right.
Clarify.
Clarify.
Clarify means to explain.
Can you clarify this point?
Yes, I'll explain it.
Commence.
Commence.
Commence means to start.
When will the meeting commence?
It will start at a M.
Elaborate.
Elaborate.
Elaborate means to give more details.
Can you elaborate on your idea?
Yes, I will give more detail.
Justify.
Justify.
Justify means to defend.
Can you justify your decision?
Yes, I can defend it.
Mitigate.
Mitigate.
Mitigate means to reduce.
Can we mitigate the risks?
Yes, we can reduce them.
Negotiate.
Negotiate.
Negotiate means to discuss.
Did you negotiate a better deal?
Yes, we discussed it.
Optimize.
Optimize. Optimize means to improve.
Can we optimize our process?
Yes, we can improve it.
Perceive.
Perceive.
Perceive means to see.
How do you perceive this issue?
I see it as a challenge.
Reinforce.
Reinforce.
Reinforce means to strengthen.
Will training reinforce my skill?
Yes, it will strengthen them.
Emphasize.
Emphasize.
Emphasize means to stress.
Did he emphasize the deadline?
Yes, he stressed it.